Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy no-knead bread. We just mix all the ingredients and we wait 24 hours before baking it. That's it. We start off combining in a mixing bowl 600 grams of flour. Now, you can use any flour you want, plain flour, bread flour. I'm using a strong bread flour. This one, I got it on Max Expenses, but again, use any flour you want, it doesn't really matter. 5 grams instant dry yeast. We just give it a little mix. A bit of salt, don't measure it, just follow your heart. Little squeeze of honey or a teaspoon of sugar. 450 ml of slightly warm water. That's it, these are all the ingredients that we need. Now, mix. At this point it's not going to look pretty, but we don't care, we don't need it to be pretty, just yet at least. The only thing that is important that you want right now is no bits of dry flour. And we got none, so we are done for today. What you want to do now is to cover it with cling film, just like this. Pinch the surface, let it breathe. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel and keep it warm for 20-24 hours. That's it. I'm gonna keep it in my kitchen because I'm always cooking, so it's always warm in here. I'll see you tomorrow. 24 hours has passed and now let's see our dough. It's gonna be very sticky, no worries, it's all normal. What we want to do is dust the surface with more flour and then we pour on the surface our dough. Here we go. Oh, clean, look. Now we pretend, because this is just pretend, to do some foldings. No worries, it's not real foldings. Here we go. We dust it, we cover it and we let it rest for another 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, preheat your oven at 250 degrees Celsius, standard oven, no fan. And then we're gonna preheat with the oven a 20 centimeters cast iron pot. 20 centimeters is the perfect cast iron pot for the ingredients I gave you. If you use a bigger one, you just won't have the same result. Sorry. And now we just wait. 30 minutes has passed and now we take our cast iron, but be very careful. It's super hot. Remove the lid. Our dough goes in. Now I'm gonna apply a cut. Not the best cut, but this is what I have, so this is how we're doing it. Lid on. Back in the oven with the lid for 35 minutes. Then we remove the lid and we give it another 5 minutes without the lid. It looks pretty already, but you need to wait. I'm not gonna show you right now. Oh, and look at this, guys. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? I didn't do the cut properly because there is a little hole. So you need to let it cool down completely because inside the bread is still cooking. If you cut it up now, you're gonna mess up the process. Have a bit of patience because look at what we made. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Here, it's talking to us. Oh my love. So now we're gonna let it cool down completely and then we're gonna cut it open together. I'm gonna give you a cheeky little look later. Have a bit of patience. I honestly don't know how well can you see me from this point of view, but this is how we're gonna do it. Let's cut open the bread. I don't wanna cut it open in the middle because it feels like wasting it. I don't know why. And look at this. Look at this bread, guys. Super soft. It's absolutely delicious, guys. Love you.